Carolina Preserve is a plus 55 community built and developed by the Del Webb organization, which is famous for building what I consider the best plus 55 communities all over North America. And when they build a community like this, they pack it full of fantastic amenities. How about a 35,000 square foot clubhouse with indoor-outdoor pools, a fitness center. It has all the bocce ball and pickleball and tennis courts you would possibly want. We've got trails. We've got over 22 miles of trails and sidewalks here, and we're right next to the American Tobacco Trail, which is a fantastic biking and hiking trail that begins in downtown Durham and then way south of here in New Hill. And finally, the Carolina Preserve community has a fantastic location. We're right in the middle of everything. We're so close to Chapel Hill, Durham, and Raleigh, plus the airport, plus Research Triangle Park, plus Duke University, UNC University, and their medical centers. We are close to everything here, folks. Location, location, location. And you can get all of that here at 719 Allforth. Folks, my name's Armand, Realtor with Team Armand EXP Realty. Please like, comment, and subscribe to our channel to be the first to receive news about what's going on in the housing market here in Cary, North Carolina. All right, folks, let's check out 719 Allforth. Kitchens, baths, and hardwood sell houses, folks. And 719 Allforth has all three. How about this fantastic kitchen, folks? Solid surface countertops, fantastic cabinets, stainless steel appliances, great backsplashes, and these hardwoods. Hardwoods all the way through the main level here, folks. And then there's this living space. It's huge, it's beautiful. And these views out the back. Folks, 719 Allforth is one of the largest homes here in Carolina Preserve, 4,920 square feet, 4 bedrooms, 4.5 baths. There's a huge basement downstairs you're gonna wanna see. 719 Allforth was built in 2007, and we've had the interior freshly painted for you. How about this fantastic wet bar, folks? And this is the basement. How about the size of this basement? You can do anything you want down here. There's a fantastic office slash crafts room over there. And here's the added benefit of 719 Allforth. Check out the storage. Amazing. Folks, my name's Armand, Realtor with Team Armand EXP Realty. Whether you're looking to purchase a home in the next 9 days or 9 months, my team and I are ready to help you. The full contact information is below. Thanks for checking out 719 Allforth. Let me know if you'd like to see it. Thanks.